Today we here in Mobile for our STEM Saturday at Rival Hope Community Center. So we're going to be engaging kids involved in buoyancy and density. They're going to build boats and different activities where they get to observe and see how different objects float and how it relates to the density and buoyancy of an object. So kids are going to create a Cartesian diver where they'll get to see how the buoyancy of it relates to whether it floats or sinks. Kids are going to build sailboats. Our K2 kids are going to build sailboats. Our older kids are going to build pontoon boats and swan boats, and they'll also get to race them and test them outside.
Saying if all the objects can float.
Can you show me one that floats?
Alright, this one floats, and this one floats.
As a city surrounded by water, buoyancy and density is really important because we have Mobile as a port city with a major port, and we have boats and all type of things going through the waters and being surrounded by water, being prone to flooding. All of those things matter for kids to be exposed to those activities, those skills, to see how they can solve the challenges and problems that's faced with them in their own community.
The amount of sugar we added affected the density of the water, and then the more sugar we added, the more dense it was.
The volunteers is great, seeing everybody here who's represented with the different colleges and everything, and also seeing the different majors that all the individuals are here from mathematics to statistics. So it's very motivating, I think, for our kids to see this, that anyone can achieve it.
Alright, I'm trying to put this together, but I need something to screw it in to make a boat.
Due to our geographic location, Mobile is surrounded by water. We're surrounded by lakes, rivers, the Gulf of Mexico, the Mobile Bay. So our geographic location, we think it's very important that kids understand the importance of buoyancy and density and how. Well, just to tie back to buoyancy and density and floating, it kind of segues into the historical story of the Clotilda, the last known slave ship that was brought to America, that was found. Actually, last week we just celebrated the opening of the Heritage House right next door, our neighbor to this community center, and it celebrates the story behind the descendants and the people that originally was brought here on that last slave ship.
Got a winner!